Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best solar panel kits for motorhomes that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for something portable, durable, or high-powered, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below for more details. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the MH Solar Charger 110-watt portable solar panel. This product is designed with outdoor enthusiasts in mind, featuring an impressive 23.5% solar conversion efficiency. Its monocrystalline silicon construction ensures that it captures sunlight effectively and charges your devices quickly. One of its standout features is its lightweight and foldable design, making it a great companion for camping, RV trips, and other outdoor adventures. Plus, it comes with an IP67 waterproof rating, so it's built to handle the elements. The MH excels in portability and ease of use. It weighs just 8.5 pounds and folds down compactly to about the size of a briefcase, complete with a handle for easy carrying. The dual kickstands make setup simple, allowing you to position it for optimal sunlight exposure. It also includes a 4-in-1 cable interface, making it compatible with most portable power stations on the market. However, it's worth noting that some power stations may have input limits, so make sure to confirm compatibility before purchasing. While this panel is highly efficient and portable, it does have some drawbacks. The 110-watt output is impressive, but it may not be sufficient for larger motorhome setups that require higher wattage. Additionally, with a price point that's not disclosed, it's harder to evaluate its value relative to competitors. Overall, this is a solid choice for those prioritizing portability and efficiency in moderate energy use scenarios. Coming in at number 4 is the GYKZ 25-watt 12-volt solar panel kit. This solar kit boasts a tremendous conversion rate of over 30%, making it one of the most efficient options in its category. Built with professional-grade monocrystalline silicon and an aviation-grade aluminum frame, this panel is not only highly efficient, but also incredibly durable. It can withstand extreme weather conditions, from blizzards to sandstorms, and promises a lifespan of over 30 years. Whether you're powering a motorhome, trailer, or even a gate opener, this solar kit is up to the task. One of the standout features of this kit is its upgraded 10-amp intelligent charge controller, which boosts charging efficiency by 30% compared to standard controllers. It incorporates a 3-stage charging design to prevent overcharging and short circuits, extending the life of your battery. The 360-degree adjustable mounting bracket ensures you can angle the panel perfectly to maximize sunlight exposure. And installation is a breeze, thanks to pre-drilled holes and included mounting hardware. However, the GYKZ 25-watt is best suited for smaller setups. Its 25-watt output may not be sufficient for larger motorhomes or power-intensive appliances. Additionally, its higher efficiency is offset by a relatively small power capacity, which places it in a niche category. For those looking to maintain smaller batteries or power lightweight systems, the GYKZ offers great value, but it may fall short for users with extensive energy needs. At number 3, we have the VoltSep Solar Panel Kit 20 watts, 12 volts. This kit is a fantastic blend of affordability, efficiency, and versatility, making it an ideal choice for motorhome owners who need reliable solar power. Featuring a high-efficiency, monocrystalline solar panel and an IP67-rated PWM charge controller, this kit is designed to handle harsh weather conditions while maintaining stable performance. With smart 3-stage charging technology, it's compatible with a wide range of batteries, including lithium, AGM, and SLA. The VoltSep kit is also highly user-friendly. It has a 360 degrees adjustable aluminum mounting bracket that allows you to optimize the panel's angle for maximum sunlight absorption. Additionally, the collapsible design makes it easy to store and transport. A unique feature of this kit is its advanced sun tracking flexibility, which increases sunlight absorption by up to 12% compared to fixed panels. The LED indicators on the controller provide real-time updates on charging status, which is a handy addition for users. However, with a maximum output of 20 watts, this panel is better suited for maintaining and trickle charging batteries rather than powering larger appliances. For those looking for a reliable and affordable option for light energy needs, the VoltSet solar panel kit offers excellent value. However, if you require more power for larger setups, you might want to explore higher wattage options. At number 2, the SOLPERK Solar Panel Kit 20-watt 12-volt is a high-quality option with a focus on durability and efficiency. Featuring a monocrystalline solar panel with an efficiency of up to 30%, this kit is perfect for maintaining and charging 12-volt batteries in a variety of applications, from motorhomes to marine equipment. Its low-iron tempered glass surface and corrosion-resistant aluminum frame make it highly durable, capable of withstanding extreme weather conditions like sandstorms and snow loads. One of the standout features of the SOLPERK kit is its upgraded 8A charge controller, which offers a charging efficiency that's 20 to 30% higher than competing models. It also features a smart 3-stage charging system to protect batteries from overcharging, ensuring a long lifespan. The 360-degree adjustable mounting bracket makes installation simple and ensures optimal sunlight exposure. Additionally, the plug-and-play connector system is a user-friendly touch. On the downside, while the SOLPERK offers excellent build quality and efficiency, its 20-watt output limits its applications to smaller setups. It's ideal for users who need a reliable trickle charger for maintaining battery health. But it's not powerful enough for heavy-duty applications. If you're in the market for a durable, efficient kit for light power needs, the SOLPERK is a fantastic choice.
Finally, at the top of our list, we have the Renogy 200-watt 12-volt portable solar panel.
This is the ultimate choice for motorhome owners who need high power and reliability. With an impressive 200-watt output and 22.5% efficiency, this kit is capable of powering a wide range of appliances and devices, making it perfect for off-grid living. The foldable suitcase design makes it incredibly portable, while the rugged build ensures it can withstand harsh outdoor conditions. The kit includes a waterproof 20A Voyager charge controller for safe and efficient charging. The standout feature of the Renogy solar panel kit is its versatility and power. The foldable design, complete with an adjustable kickstand, allows for easy setup and optimal sunlight absorption. The included charge controller has multiple safety features, including overcharge protection, which ensures your batteries remain in top condition. The rugged canvas case adds an extra layer of durability, protecting the panels during transport and storage. The only downside to the Renogy kit is its weight. It's heavier than the other options on this list at 34.4 pounds, which might make it less convenient for some users. However, if you need a high-power, reliable solar panel kit for your motorhome, the Renogy 200-watt is hands down the best option available. Its performance, build quality, and versatility make it a worthwhile investment for serious off-grid enthusiasts. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, feel free to leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Don't forget to check out the product links in the description for more details. See you in the next video.